Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to create carousel posts on Reddit. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Are you sharing multiple photos on Reddit? Reddit is a platform that connects a variety of communities where users can express their ideas without revealing their identities. Before, Reddit was focused on forum discussions rather than including photos. Posting multiple images on Reddit has been introduced last 2020. You can upload up to 20 images or GIFs as one post. You can view it in a slidable album. Posting multiple photos can attract more viewers to stay in your post and view all the images in one place. It is also more engaging to view multiple images. It is now convenient to share photos on Reddit. Before, it was not easy to share even a single photo on Reddit, and users had to share links from photo sharing sites. Now Reddit has the image gallery, which allows you to upload images. As you search for terms on Reddit's search engine, you can browse for posts that includes images. Most images that you can see are single images. If you view posts that have multiple images, you can browse it using the arrow buttons. It also shows the total number of photos in this section. There are two ways to upload photos on Reddit. You can upload images using the web app and the mobile app. Go to Reddit's website using your web browser, log into your account, and click on the plus icon to create a post. Find a community where you want to share a post with multiple photos. Make sure that you have joined that community so that it will appear in this list. And from the list of communities, select one to share the post. From these tabs, choose Images and Video. Now write a title in this text field. Make sure that the title is relevant to the photos so that more people can discover your post. You can write a title up to 300 characters here. We can drag and drop the image and select the photos from your drive. Look for the folder where your images are saved. Then select all images that you want to upload, then drag them to this section to upload the images. If these images are products on your e-commerce site, you can copy the URL link from your site and paste the link in the URL text field. If you're using affiliate links, you can also use that link here. For each image, you can add a caption in the link. Captions can include up to 180 characters. Click on each thumbnail to view the image below. Once you're done, mark it as original content. You can rearrange the images by selecting a thumbnail and dragging it to the position that you prefer. Then check each image to finalize the caption and the URL link to include. Once you're done, click Post. Now these images are shared as a post. If an image has a URL link, it will be shown below the image, and you can select it and be redirected to this page. If someone is interested in this product, they will know where to purchase it. Promote your products or services. You can showcase multiple photos as comparison. This example shows multiple photos to show different variations of floor tiles. This is useful for showing which type of floor tiles a client or a customer would prefer to purchase. Now let's upload multiple photos using the mobile app. Open the Reddit app on your mobile phone. Log into your account. In this section, click on the plus icon. Then write a title for your post. Click on the image icon below. Then upload the images from your gallery. Tap on the images that you'd like to upload. Then tap on the Add button. On the mobile app, you can still edit the image. You can add text, create a drawing, or erase it. You can even crop the image and select an option below, then click Save. If you want to add more images, just choose More Images from your gallery. Tap Next. Then choose a community to share this post. Next, click Post to share it in the selected community. And that is how you can create carousel posts on Reddit. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, Here's something you shouldn't miss. If you need to turn cold leads into loyal customers, we have a marketing app that can help you get more customers with cold email marketing. Pursue app is the most powerful cold email platform than any other alternative. You can run perfectly designed killer cold email campaigns that turn leads into buyers fast. You can create personalized cold email campaigns, create custom email journeys for your customers, create powerful event and trigger system, and watch how your leads react to your email. Set and forget your profit cold email campaigns with Pursue app. Step 1. Create your campaign in Pursue app. Step 2. Switch on the campaign and let the mails go out. Step 3. Watch the cold leads warm up and embrace your business. So try Pursue app now. Go to getpursueapp.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.